Good evening. It's about 6:15 p.m. As you can see, my sweet potato is growing quite quickly. The half potato that I left in there, I still haven't replanted the other half that I found after the dog dug it up. But I have plans to put it in one of these containers, and as you can see, these containers are actually empty once again because I use them to earth up some more with these containers, with these bags. I actually fill them up to the top, these two, and the bucket as well. I added a bit more to this one. I think I'll just add mulch to that one if it grows bigger, which it will. And that one I earthed up just a bit because it's still not that big. These ones I earthed up just a little bit. And the one we planted last Monday, finally showing signs of germination. As you can see. Can you see? Yeah. Well, it was there this morning. I don't know where it is now. Anyway, despite losing soil to the potatoes, I did make some more soil there. My mound of soil is getting smaller and smaller. No longer a hole in the middle. It's actually quite close to the bottom. And earlier, I did harvest some potatoes which I roasted for supper from there. So I have some good soil to work with to plant the potatoes and to plant, not the potatoes, the onions and carrots in. So that's what I'll do. I've really neglected my spinach over there. They're somehow surviving, and the ones which were not growing while it was raining are finally beginning to kind of sprout. Like that one had almost nothing, and now you can see some things from all the way from over here. There's something happening. So yeah, I'll get to it when I get to it. In one of these buckets, I will plant the half sweet potato that I found after the dog dug it up from the last place I planted it. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see if I can plant the onions and carrots tomorrow. Bye bye.